Students, and our next topic is the electric power and electrical energy and kilowatt hour. So first we are going to discuss about the electrical power or electric power. So just like any mechanical power, the time rate at which the work is done in an electric circuit is called power. Okay, so मैकेनिकल पावर कौन सी होती है जिसमें वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम इन एनी मैकेनिकल सिस्टम इन्वॉल्व हो ओके सो in any electric circuit or any electric system the time rate at which the work is done is called power simply. So the time at which we just consume electric energy is called power. Remember मैंने आपको पिछले लेक्चर में बताया था that the work done is equal to the energy consumed, right? So power mathematically can be written as P equals to W by T, where W is the work done and T is the time. Now we have to just transform this equation according to our needs. Okay, this is one equation for power, one basic equation. Now we know that V equals to W by Q, right? So now we have to evaluate the value of W from this equation. We're gonna leave W at one place and all the other parameters to the other place. Now अब हम Q को just दूसरी साइड पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and we would get W equals to V into Q, right? Now W की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ गई, से जस्ट हम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट कर देंगे. So using equation number 2 in equation number 1 we get V equals to V into Q divided by T, where V into Q is the value for the work done. Okay, now solving it furthermore. I equal to Q by T. This is the definition of electric current. And we have to find the value of Q. Q इसलिए find करेंगे because ये हम यहाँ put करेंगे अपनी equation number 3 में. So Q would become equal to I and T को दूसरी साइड पर ले जाएंगे, so it would get multiplied by I. So Q equals to IT. Q की जगह IT put कर देंगे equation number 3 में. So putting equation number 4 into equation number 3 we get V into IT divided by T. And T would cancel each other. As a result, we would get V into I or I into V, P equals to IV, which gives us the equation number 5. Okay. This is the second equation for power. We can also transform this further. Now, using Ohm's law, V equals to IR. यहाँ पर हम just simply क्या करेंगे, V की जगह IR put करेंगे. So P equals to I into V की जगह IR put कर देंगे. So I and I would give us I square into R. This is the third equation for power. Similarly, using again Ohm's law, which gives us I equals to V by R. Remember, हमने just यहाँ पर V equals to IR को rearrange करके I equals to V by R लिखा है. Now we have to use this value of I in our equation number 6 over here. Okay, P equals to I square R में I square की जगह V square by R square कर देंगे. Okay, because I की हमारे पास I नहीं I square है, so we have to take the square of V divided by R. So putting I equals to V by R in equation number 6, we get V square divided by R square into R. R जो हमारे पास already था. Now R and R square would cancel each other, giving us P equals to V square divided by R. This is the fourth equation of our power. So basically ये चारों equations आपस में interchangeable हैं. It depends upon the requirement of the numerical that you are given. So जिस भी type का numerical आपको given होगा, then according to that condition you have to use either this equation or this or this or this equation. These four of the equation can be used in your numerical according to the condition. Now the SI unit of power is watt, and it's equal to 1 watt equals to 1 ampere into 1 volt, obviously. Okay, so the amount of current passing through a circuit when a potential difference of 1 volt is applied to it. We have taken this definition from the equation number 5. P equals to I, and I का यूनिट हमारे पास एम्पियर आ गया, एंड V का हमारे पास यूनिट वोल्ट आ गया. ओके, so that is why 1 watt equals to 1 ampere into 1 volt. Hence, if the potential difference is 1 volt and is applied to a circuit in order to produce a current of 1 ampere, then the power consumed by the electric circuit is said to be 1 watt. Okay, so this is basically the definition of unit, and the SI unit stays watt, right? Now coming to the second topic, which is the electrical energy and kilowatt hour. So electrical energy का एक और यूनिट है, and that is called kilowatt hour. Okay, यहाँ से देखने में आपको लगेगा जैसे ये पावर का यूनिट है. Okay, because watt is a unit of power. Now but you have to remember that we have placed hour here also. Okay, so just remember that this is the unit of electrical energy and not a unit of power. As joule is a smaller unit for the measurement of electrical energy, thus we have to use a larger unit. And kilowatt hour is actually the larger unit used in the industrial area, of course. Okay. So, and it's the unit of electrical energy, and in mathematically can be written as E equals to 1 kilowatt into hour. Remember that ये हमने कहाँ से evaluate किया? E equals to P into T. And ये हमने कहाँ से evaluate किया? P equals to E by T. And ये कहाँ से evaluate किया? P equals to W by T. So this is definition of power, putting W equals to E. So it becomes E equals to T. अब हमने क्या किया? W and E इसलिए इक्वल होंगे बिकॉज इससे पिछले लेक्चर में आपको बता चुकी हूँ दैट द वर्क डन इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट इज इक्वल टू द एनर्जी लॉस्ट बाय दैट सर्किट. ओके, सो देयरफॉर W की जगह हमने E पुट किया, E बाय T हमारे पास इक्वेशन आ गई. नाउ E को एक साइड पर रखा एंड T को दूसरी साइड पर ले गए, सो वी गेट E इक्वल्स टू P इंटू T, वेयर यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, सिंपली किलोवाट यूनिट ऑफ पावर के तौर पर यूज़ करेंगे एंड आवर यूनिट ऑफ टाइम के तौर पर यूज़ करेंगे. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी एंड नॉट द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पावर. So simply putting the value of kilo over here and hour in SI units. So kilo की जगह हम simply 1000 put कर सकते हैं. So 1 into 1000 and watt simply वैसे ही आ जाएगा, hour भी वैसे ही आ जाएगा, 1 hour. Now 1 into 1000 gives us 1000. वॉट की जगह उसका बेसिक यूनिट लिखेंगे. ओके, एंड 1 आवर की जगह 3600 सेकेंड्स लिखेंगे. इसको बेसिकली हमने इसके बेस यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. नाउ सेकेंड्स and second would cancel each other, and 1000 into 3600 would give us 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules, not joules per second because second and seconds यहाँ पर cancel हो जाएगा. So now energy which was equal to 1 kilowatt hour now is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. जब भी आपको किसी न्यूमेरिकल में कोई वैल्यू किलोवाट आवर में दी गई हो, देन उसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए यू सिंपली हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दैट बाय दिस अमाउंट. ओके, इसको जाउल्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आप सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आप कर सकते. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. This unit is most commonly used by the tariff companies to evaluate the electrical cost or electricity cost for domestic and industrial usage. जो भी आपके इलेक्ट्रिक बिल्स एंड पावर बिल्स वगैरह आते हैं वो इसी यूनिट में कैलकुलेट होते हैं, बिकॉज जाउल हमारे पास बहुत छोटा unit है, so we have to find out some other unit which can be used for industrial purposes, right? So there, for we use kilowatt hour for industrial usage, right? So this was all for today. Thank you so much, everyone.